The study showed that consuming a Mediterranean diet would reduce the risk for women of type 2 to 30%. The diet schedule, abundant in olive oil, berries, tomatoes, peas, bovines, and seeds, often decreases the likelihood of cardiovascular disease. Scientists claim that the benefits can differ from biological causes, called biomarkers or pathways, and that they can only support overweight people. Dr. Samia Mora from Harvard Medical School, U.S. study writer, said, "Our findings support the idea that by improving their diet, people can improve their future risk of type 2 diabetes, particularly if they are overweight or have obesity." Female health workers were followed by researchers over 25 years to establish biological causes. Med diet score from 0 to 9, like more fruits, berries, whole cereals, legumes, nuts, and seafood are eaten and moderate levels of alcohol are consumed, and less red or refined meats are eaten. A variety of biomarkers, including cholesterol levels, BMI, special fat transport cells are known as lipoproteins, and insulin resistance, have been tested that controls blood sugar concentrations. Of the 25,000 women involved in the 2017 study, 2,307 had formed a Form 2. Diabetes type 2 was less likely to evolve among participants with a diagnostic score of 6 or higher. But only overweight or obese women with a BMI larger than 25 have these health benefits. The first author of the study, Dr. Shafkat Ahmad from the University of Uppsala in Sweden, stated, "Much of the risk reduced associated with a Mediterranean diet and type 2 diabetes is clarified by insulin resistance, BMI, lipoprotein metabolism, and inflammatory biomarkers." Researchers have been able to share their results on whether the diet saves people from diabetes, reported on JAMA Network available, which may allow physicians to make sound dietary guidance. Dr. Ahmad added, "Even small changes can add up over time. One of the best things patients can do for future health is to improve their diet, and now we are beginning to understand why." In Britain, nearly 4 million people are diabetic in type 2, although women are more prone to develop major complications. If you like this video or would like to see more such videos, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. To stay updated with new videos, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.